Hello everyone, myself Soundarya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to explain about the computer graphics and visualization. What are the topics, what are the applications of computer graphics, and what is the detailed explanation of pixel and screening. What do you mean by pixel? How it is represented on a screen? First of all, what do you mean by computer graphics? Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures, lines, or charts, etc. using a computer with the help of programming. Computer graphics image is made up of a number of pixels. Pixel is the smallest addressable graphical unit represented on a computer's screen, which we are seeing now. Every screen which is visible for us, it is made up of a pixel. It is called as a computer graphics, and it is called as a computer graphics. And some of the applications which are there in the computer graphics and visualization are graphs and charts, computer aided design, virtual reality environment, data visualization, education and training. Now let us study what do you mean by computer graphs and charts. It is an early application of the computer graphics which display a simple data graphs usually plotted in a character printed. As you can see, it is represented using a graphs and data plotted on one of the among the application. This is all about the computer graphs and charts. Yeah, everything data will be represented in the form of graphs and charts. Computer aided. In computer aided, we will have a machine where engineer and architecture use it to represent it. Now, a good example for this is a CAD, computer aided design. Computer aided drafting and design methods are now routinely used in the automobiles, aircrafts, and spacecrafts, computer homes, home appliances, etc. Here and all, we will use a computer aided design. Next, we have a virtual reality environment where we will cannot see it, we will just virtually feel it. It is an animation of environment are often used to train heavy equipment operations or to analyze the effective of various cabin configuration and control placements. With virtual reality system, designer and other can move about the interact with the objects in various ways. Architectural design can be examined by taking the simulated walk through the rooms or around or outside the building of wherever we will visually think. Then data visualization, producing a graphical representation for a scientific, engineering and medical data set and the process is the another fairly new application of computer graphics, which is generally referred by the scientific visualization, and the term business visualization is a connection with data sets related to a comments and industry and non-scientific areas. Now next we have education and training. In computer generated models of physical, financial, political, social, economic, and other systems are often used as an educational aids. Models of physical process and physiological functions equipment such as color coded design as a figure can help the trainee to understand the operation of a system. Then we have a education of and training. We have to educate the people what is computer graphics and why we will use this and what are the uses of it. Everything we have to train to the people. Everything we have to train to the people, and training the application special hardware systems and designed examples such as specialization systems or simulate practices sessions, aircrafts, pilots, air traffic control, and personnel. These are the some of the computer graphics which where we use this application of computer graphics. Now let us study about what is a pixel. Pixel, it is the pixel full form is picture element. Here you can see a image. It is made up of every picture is made up of a pixel, and it is known as a PEL. Pixel is the smallest element of an image in on a computer display, and whether LCD or CRT monitor, a screen is made up of a maximum of thousands of pixels. Pixel is represented with the dot and the square square of a computer screen. A good thing is that a pixel cannot be seen as they are very small, which result in smooth and clear image. One dot and one pixel, it will be a image pixel. It is pixelated, and each pixel is the value that can say unique logical address, and it can have one color at a time, and color is determined with the number of bits and represented in it. Now you can see it, this is a picture which is made up of number of pixel. One, now if you take a ipart, where ipart is made up of many number of pixels, this we have studied. And then we have what is screening. Now what do you mean by screening? It is a computer display device which screen shows the returned electronic image and made up of a pixel that are illuminated and in a way of distinguishes a text and a graphics elements. Pixels are a tiny area of illumination, bright dots, and the light that can have the number of millions of single dots in this. Now next we have a example for screening. Now you take this one, a focus. This is a base, a beam of a collector of an electron gun. This is an example of electron gun where the pixel is screening is done. Now you have a base for this, and you have a electron gun which is present here. These are the connectors where connector pins where we'll connect for it. And we have a focusing system. Then we have a electron grid of voltage which is present here. Then x deflect, y deflect. And here when the light passes, we have a porous, a beam of a collector emitted from the electron gun passes through the focusing deflection and the system of a beam towards the specified position in the porous coated screed. The porous then emits a small spot of light in each position contacted by the electron beam, and light emitted by the porous fades very rapidly. One way of maintaining the screen picture is to store the picture information as a charge and the distribution within the CRT in order to keep the porous activated. And most common method now employed for maintaining the porous glow is redraw the picture repeatedly by quickly directing the electron beam and back over the same screen points. And to this type of display is called as a refresh CRT, and the frequency of which picture is redrawn and the screen is referred as a refresh rate. Now next we have what how do pixel make a display. If you closely at a computer screen, you will see you'll see the picture which is made up of million of tiny squares. Each one of the square is a pixel. To display the image, computer tells how the color of for each pixel is made up of. Now you can see here, you have a picture where every picture dot, it is made up of a tiny square of dots. So this is how the pixel is made up of. Then if you see how do it display, if you closely look at this, it will display by a tiny spots. And pixel, we store the image in the pixel saved in the file of format of a pixel, jpg, everything, png, gif, everything. There are a bitmap images also, where bitmap method of using pixel in the bitmap is called map bits stored. It's stored in the form of maps of bits. A simple black and white image bitmap on or off stored in 1 or 0 color of pixel. Then vector image will be there, where graphics, lines, curves, shapes of pixel it will represent. And we have how the with working object. Now you have a small and we have a big. This is how it will resize into smaller to big. And yeah, this is all about how do pixels make a display, and where do it make, how do it make, how image screening will be done. And what is pixel, what are the applications of computer graphic. These are all the topics which we have covered today. I hope you liked the video and you understand the new things from this video. Please like to my video and support like this only. Keep learning. Thank you.